In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be our. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want us to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to double your paycheck. In today's dynamic employment landscape where the principles or practices can vary between large corporations and small companies, it is important to understand the strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. In big corporations, we often encounter certain principles when it comes to salary increases. Most of these corporations adhere to a maximum annual increase of around 10%. While it might seem frustrating, these policies are often in place to maintain stability within the organization. Employers want to avoid creating a big precedent where employees frequently demand raises, as this could disrupt the work environment. So if you are in a large corporation, how can you double your paycheck? One strategy is to try to find a similar position in another corporation. Consider applying for the same position in another corporation during the negotiation process. Confidently mention that you are already earning double what they are offering. Stick to your offer and make a compelling case for your worth. Remember, it's not just about having the conversation, but also demonstrating your value to the potential employer. On the other hand, small companies may struggle with limited budgets, making significant pay raises a challenge. In this scenario, doubling your paycheck requires a different approach. If you want to be hired by a small business, you might need to get creative. Think about how you can contribute to the company's prosperity and present your ideas to your boss. If you can show how you'll bring in more revenue or cut costs, your wise business owner might be willing to reward you accordingly. Consider proposing a commission-based system for extra motivation. Offering additional activities for extra pay, such as commissions for increased sales, for example, is a viable option that can boost your earnings. Another route, which is more unorthodox, to increasing your income, is to change jobs entirely or even consider becoming self-employed. With the rise of opportunities in the area like cryptocurrency, stock trading, you can explore part-time or full-time options. For those who are new to trading, there are resources like the 1000x indicator available for $55 per month, which can help you navigate the markets more effectively. So, what did we discuss today? Whether you are in a big corporation or a small company, there are strategies you can employ to double your paycheck. The key is to think outside the box and be positive in your thinking. Remember that your value is not solely determined by your current job title or salary, but by your ability to adapt, innovate, and demonstrate the unique contributions you can make. By being proactive and resourceful, you can increase your income and work towards your financial goals. Thank you. In the name of Jesus, thy we shall be our.